mga tinitrain namin, they have their different individual differences. So there was one participant in Bicol, in Bakakay Albay, na parang lahat ng sasabihin mo, parang kasi it is because him staying in the organization for a very long time, na syempre government setup. Akala niya ganyan na ganyan lang talaga yan, parang hopeless na siya. So you really have to have a lot of energy and motivation in your system para maipasa mo sa kanya yung drive mo, yung pinapakita mo sa kanya yung enthusiasm mo na hindi lang tayo post office, hindi lang tayo mag-stop with what we have now. That is why we're giving you this training. So sobrang motivation yung ibibigay mo sa kanya. Yun. May mga yung talagang sobrang napaka-negative na wala nang mangyayari dyan, di ba? Meron mga ganun tao. Pero in the end, during the graduation, napaka-hopeful niya ng tao. So yun, parang i-reverse mo yung kanyang mindset. Yun. Parang renewed siya pagkatapos. Ayan.
Given that sa part mo, meron naman ko kayo sense of fulfillment.
Yeah. Kasi actually, every one of us in the team, parang we are considering ourselves as channel, parang as instrument of the transformation of Philippine Postal Corporation. Kasi, as you know, di ba maraming negative thing on the post. But, sa dami namin, ilan lang talaga silang mga negative players. But, syempre, we in training, kailangan talaga ipakita namin sa kanila yung na kailangan natin ng integrity, kailangan natin buuhin ulit yung integrity natin so that we can regain our market. Kasi dati, we have the monopoly of the market, di ba? Kasi when you say, maghuhulog ako ng sulat, it's automatic post office. That's long way before, siguro nung mga 1980s, ganun. But now, we have more or less 200 competitors in the market, in the postal industry. So, it's a big challenge. And we are so fulfilled to be part of the training team na part ng transformation ng tao. So, yun.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay na.